If you're watching this right now, God is saying to you, do not tell anybody what happens next because they want to ruin it for you. The devil is going to try to hold you back. He's going to hear what you're doing and he's going to slither his way out of the grass to try to strike you. And this isn't going to happen. You're not going to let it happen because you're going to realize the ways in which the devil tries to ensnare you right before you break through, because God is preparing you for an immense role right now. This is where everything starts to come in, all the blessings that you've been waiting for, everything that you have prayed for, the resources that you've asked for are now starting to be delivered, and you are ascending because of it. You are being raised up and put on a pedestal because you are one of the ones who have been chosen to receive this divine blessing, this inheritance that you're going to receive that's not only going to change your life, but the lives of the people around you and for generations to come. This is legacy. So this is about your purpose and what you came here to do and the visions and dreams that you have that you want to birth into your reality. And people will try to ruin this. And this is the way that the enemy works, that he uses people who are low vibration, who are rooted in lack and scarcity and fear and narcissism and pride and envy, try to keep you down, to keep you stuck with them in hell. And so this is what prevents you from moving forward. This is what makes you return to old levels of comfort, to what's easy, to avoid failure, to avoid discomfort. Everything that the devil convinces you of is a lie, including your worthiness, your capabilities, your skills, who you are as a person, your significance, and your purpose here on earth. He will always try to disrupt that, to keep you from your potential, to keep you from God. So keep this close to the chest. Don't allow people to enter your life and ruin what you want to do. There's too much riding on this because people do ruin it. People sabotage things for you, or they'll exploit you, or try to lead you astray, or they will keep you stuck in hell with you or hell with them. So it's important to keep things close to the chest, to stay humble, to not be boastful, and to avoid evoking envy in others. Your blessings will speak for themselves, so you won't even have to tell people about them. It will just become visible and they will want to strike anyway. So it's important to just stay focused, to keep embodying that level of love and kindness and gratitude, as well as authority and sovereignty, so you know that nothing can touch you. Nothing can hold you back, and your focus should always be on God because He is only going to make your life better and better and better. And the devil just wants to keep you from that. So don't tell anyone about this. Let your fruit speak for itself, and the rest will follow, and the right people will enter your life, and the right resources will enter your life, and everything else will fall behind or be left behind and turn into dust. You know that you are sovereign, that you are a child of God. So not even the devil can ensnare you. You are always salvageable. You are always forgiven. So even when you fall down, God will pick you back up and he will raise you back onto your pedestal, and you won't have to earn his provision. You won't have to earn his validation or his forgiveness like you would in the people's lives who don't have good intentions for you. You are no longer performing for those people. You are performing for God only. Okay? He deserves all the praise, all the recognition, and he will give you everything as long as you are willing to follow him every day and to get back up and try again and to achieve your goals and to live out your purpose here on earth, which is to share your gifts with the world, to be a testimony of God's love, grace, and favor. So don't tell anyone about what's coming, and just let your light shine and the rest will fall away naturally. If you want to claim this, put amen in the comments. Let me know where it resonates. If there are any synchronicities that you notice in the themes of your own life at this current time, because this is a timeless reading and it is relevant to whatever phase of life that you are currently in. So I want to hear how this applies to your life. And I want you to be encouraged and inspired by this message and to be aware of the people who don't have your best interests at heart. This is all to help you on your journey. So hit that like button and hit that subscribe button because I put out new videos almost every single day to help you on your journey and to help you grow closer to God. It is an honor and a pleasure. I love you so, so, so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.